What's up, peoples? Welcome to Tech with Shelton, and we are getting ready to unbox the first impression of the Nothing Phone 4A Pro. And I've been seeing this all over the TV, and then I had to just check it out for myself with a dope, reasonable price for $499 in America with a triple camera. What can beat that? So what is the aspects of this phone, and what do Nothing have to bring for this year's new phone 4A Pro? So let's get ready to see the unboxing of the 4A Pro. Take that off. Let's see what we got in here. Like I'm just tearing my box up. Okay. Everything by Nothing. Let's get the camera out of there. Let's set that down. Let's see what this is. This actually is phone case. Wow. Got a phone case that comes some phone. Some phone companies don't give us no case. The C port charge. And the nice C pen. Usual books and stuff. Put that down. Ooh, this way kind of nice, y'all. Wow. Let's see. I'm just gonna tear it all off, y'all, because I want to see this one. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Wow, that's a dope phone, ain't it, y'all? Man, I didn't know. Don't get me wrong, Nothing always dropping some dope stuff, y'all. Like, I actually have the Nothing CMF phone Pro 2. And let's get ready to power this up. Oh, shoot. So, this actually come with a glass front. It got Gorilla Glass 7i, which is dope on top of that. And you have a aluminum frame with aluminum. This is IP65, water and dust resistance. It actually could be under low pressure with jets, and it's up to 25 centimeters of water for only 20 minutes. The display is 6.83 aluminum, 1-bit color, 144 rate hertz on this. HDR image support as well. The memory, you can get them actually that I've seen is 128 gigabytes of RAM with 8 gigabytes. And then the other one was a 256 gigs with 8 gigabytes of RAM, which is dope. OS software, which is 4.0, which is Nothing have a dope OS. I like their stuff. In the rear, you got a 50 megapixel, main shooter. You got a telephoto, which is 50 megapixel. And then you have a wide angle that is 8 megapixels, which is dope. So this video capture in the rear camera is 4K, 30 FPS, and have Vision HDR, Ultra HDR, front camera, 32 on the top of that, which they put a bigger battery too in this, because last year they had the Nothing Pro 3 and they had a smaller battery. This one actually battery is a 580 milligram battery. Wow, that's dope. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up, and this was my first impression of the 4A Pro from Nothing. And subscribe to Go to Chai Entertainment TV and hit that notification so you can see more videos like this. It's your boy Tech with Tweez, and Shelton, Tech with Shelton, and dang, I just can't. The phone just got. I'm tripping, y'all. The way the quality and built is subscribe to Coach Eye Entertainment, and we're gonna get ready to do a full review of the Nothing Pro. Just give me some time, and that was the video. Peace.